been a healthy week for IPOs here in the U.S. By the end of the last trading week for this quarter, we will see proceeds total over $1 billion US. So joining me on the trading floor is RYB Education CFO, Peng Fei. Good morning and thanks for joining me today.
And thank you for having me.
Well, first and foremost, we're seeing shares of RYB higher by 40%, so that is quite a healthy IPO. You priced above the range at $18.50 a share on 7.8 million shares. So what will the company be doing with the proceeds?
I think, first of all, I think the success of RYB's IPO is actually the success of quality education. We actually provide early childhood education, so from age 6 months to 6 years old, and it's vitally important. The early childhood education is a starting education for the child for their lifetime. So we want to make sure we do right things for the kids and by the kids. So with that, we feel like the success of the listing is actually a proof that by providing quality, you actually can have commercial success as well. So I would say we're very happy. And then with the proceeds, first of all, I think naturally we'll further invest in enhancing and further enhancing the quality of our education. One thing in particular is, the kids will they will grow up with technology. The next generation of kids will have to be able to navigate and master in technology. So technology will be an important area for us to invest in. And naturally, back to the more business side, China's two children policy has made the early childhood education demand extremely high. And right now, the country is actually scrambling to meet the demand for not only high quality, but basically any early childhood education services. So with those money, we can actually expand faster and offering more high quality education to a wider audience. And one more thing is actually the market is still extremely fragmented, and by consolidating a little bit as well, we think we are able to expand our reach faster.
And Ping, that brings me to my next questions. Of course, there is so much potential for growth. You're already in over 300 cities in China and over 30 provinces. Yeah. So tell us about your business model and how it differs for the varying age groups.
Okay, in fact, our business model, we actually offer, we call Play and Learn Center for children 6 months old to 6 years old. Then we offer kindergarten services for children 2 years old to 6 years old. So it's all 0 to 6. But PLC or Play and Learn Center is actually like a training model or parents-children play group. It's organized, designed, educational play, whereby parents will bring their kids into the facility, and they will, our instructors will work with them as a group, and and then give them classes like in arts, creativity, speeches, music appreciation, motor skills development, etc. So that's our PLC model. With our PLCs, we do it primarily through a sort of a franchise business model. So all the franchisees has a high motivation to participate in the business while we offer high quality course content as well as training to all our franchisees and their teachers. And then with the kindergarten, it's the same as any kindergarten, but we focus a lot on providing both care and education. We focus on, we say, care and responsibility, and providing kids suitable education at their own pace. So our kindergarten learning is a sort of activity-based learning, whereby kids are are given a stimulus, nurturous environment, and our teachers, work with them and make sure they get develop with all the key elements in life.
And last but not least, before I let you go, I do want to ask you about the company names as well as lessons you've learned over the years. Now, RYB, does that stand for the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue?
Exactly.
It does. Okay.
Exactly. It's called red, yellow, blue education, in fact. And, a baby is a piece of white paper, okay? We want to provide the fundamental colors or primary colors for them to paint their future in millions of different colors. And that's the idea of the name. And, we naturally have had tons of challenges, we lost count of them, but, we will face more challenges going forward as well. But I think as long as we keep on offering quality education, quality care to the children. As long as we focus on do the right things by the children, for the children, you will have a great future.
Okay, Ping. Well, thank you so much for joining me, and congratulations on ringing the opening bell here at the New York Stock Exchange.
Thank you. Thank you very much.